see if you can really dive into how do you want this day to look like? What are the outcomes? I like to do that because there's never any surprises. Like I choose the day, the schedule, the people I meet, so that way, you send a good positive energy before it happens. Alrighty, let's do it. Now imagine all of your cells are creating energy. 3, 1. Hold your breath. Now hold it. And squeeze it all of your body from the center of your core through your arms. Hold it, squeeze it, and send the energy into every cell of your body, into every situation, into everything that's about to happen today. Just sense yourself this shining bright light and bring in all of the gratitude, appreciation for your body, for your life, the abundance, health, happiness, joy, your brain. Just cultivate as much gratitude from your heart